What's up guys, my name is Chase Farrow, and today is a good day despite the fact that it's cold as all hell. Now I ordered a couple of things from BTR for my 2002 Corvette Z06, as you can see behind me. And if you've seen any of my previous videos, then you know it's a heads cam nitrous car. That being said, it is getting ready to undergo some pretty significant changes, where it's going to be going from heads cam nitrous to a single 7275 turbo. Now I decided, since I'm getting ready to tear a whole lot of stuff apart in order to do the turbo kit, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I was going to do all the things that I've been wanting to do that I hadn't gotten around to yet. That way, effectively, once I'm done with the turbo, I'm done adding power to the car. So what I've got here is I've got a BTR Equalizer 1 intake manifold with new fuel rails. I'm also going to be upping my injector size again. I'm going to be upping my fuel pump size again. That way, when I'm done with the turbo build, I'm pretty well done with power adders. Then after that, all it is the carbon fiber wide body from Corvette Creations, and then new wheels and little aero stuff here and there. That being said, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open up this box. Yes! And this is what we do it all for, the stickers, that's it. It's the only reason we buy these parts. So I got the new BTR fuel rail kit here. There, I went ahead and moved this stuff over so we had a little bit better lighting. But, let's open this thing up. Oh man, look at that. God, it's even prettier in person. Jeez. And I love the texture of it too. I mean, look at this. Look at that thing. That is fantastic. And it's gonna look real good in the engine bay. All right, now let's check out these new fuel rails. Oh, there we go. Oh, that is fantastic. Look at these. Oh man, look at these things. Got the BTR logo on there, so no one's gonna have any question as to who made this stuff. Got the mounting brackets. Looks like nozzles, if I can get them out. These are the AN couplers, or whatever you call them. Someone's going to correct me if that's wrong. And of course, the bolts, or the little hex bolts. All right, well, I am super excited to get this stuff on the car. I've got a few more things to order before it actually does go on the car. Like I said before, I'm going to go ahead and upsize my injectors. I'm going to go up in fuel pump size again, and a few other little things, just like little supporting stuff here and there. But then this goes on, and it'll be time to finish the turbo build. So I'm excited, and hope you guys enjoy the ride. See ya.